to see yours, or you want me to just pour it?
Good morning.
Hi.
It's Spiderman Day. Day 18. You're in one of my old shirts.
Yes.
What is that?
And I have this.
Oh, what's the shirt?
It's the shirt that he wears. It's like a sweater that he wears.
That's the high school they go
Oh,
to.
yeah, right.
Yeah. So,
What?
but Ben is not fully dressed, so I'm going to go like this.
Hi.
Woo. Hi, what are you doing? Why does it smell like hot milk, which is a terrible smell?
Hot milk smells wonderful.
Only if you like milk.
Okay. The elves came and moved and left chocolate bombs.
Chocolate bombs.
Yeah.
Oh, they moved? What? They were there. Where are they? Did they do the dishes? Nope, I did. Never mind. Oh, there's one. There's Cindy, that's the girl. And then Tara's bed is still down. Thank you, Tara. And then the boy, oh, he's on top of the... He has a head, but he's up there.
Let me see his head.
Okay, Ben, I can't put you on camera because you don't have clothes on. Brooke, good morning. What are we going to see today?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Are you excited? Yep. That's the epitome of excitement right there. How is it going? Is it mixing?
Yeah.
Okay. Hers was really dark looking.
Yeah.
Ben's was red. Take a look.
Ben's is like strawberry.
Okay. And Brooks is like normal chocolate. Did you taste it? What are you chewing on?
It's my chocolate from my...
Brooke's eating Advent chocolate, like Advent calendar chocolate, because unlike normal children who eat their like Advent chocolate, I would assume at the end of the day, like we've done in all years previous, they wake up and want their Advent chocolate. It's Christmas.
Okay. Oh, Vector hasn't been out yet. Tara, can you take him out, please? Thank you. All right, so we got the Advent calendars from Aldi, right?
No.
Oh, where are those from? That was really loud. Where is this? Trader Joe's?
No, they're from Target.
Target. Oh, Target. Yeah, it's right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're cute. Also, what's this? Grand Floridian. What's that?
Oh, the Grand Floridian is a hotel, like the hotel.
I'm asking for the people. You know I know what that is.
Oh, I'm like, this is a weird way to start. It's the like fancy hotel that's right near Magic Kingdom. They have a big gingerbread house, and we went there last night after we went to Magic Kingdom for the night, and got gingerbread treats.
Okay, how big is the house?
Big enough for people to stand in and sell cookies out of.
Right, it's a store.
Yeah.
They build basically a store in the lobby of this hotel.
Yes.
Out of gingerbread.
And they like pump in the gingerbread smell and make it smell amazing in there. So
It smells so good. Why don't you have pants on? What is going on in here?
you told them to get dressed.
Bye.
I don't think Tara's gonna drink this. I'm gonna drink it.
Taste it. See how it is.
It's hot. That's pretty tasty.
Yeah? Okay, so Tara did not put her bed up, so Aaron is doing it.
Yeah.
So we made those curtains. Well, a friend of ours made the curtains, and it's just a tension rod going from there to there. Go ahead. And then there's just a button up there that you hold down, and off it goes. And then once it gets about halfway up, I go kind of to the bottom of those little wood boxes there. Oh,
You do it.
Aaron's just going all the way. Okay.
I just go all the way.
My OCD is firing off.
It's fine.
It's
I'll
not
even notice
fine.
it in a second.
This is not fine. That's all I'm going to look at all day.
No, we're going.
So
to
what
the
I
next
normally
one.
do
Go.
is I throw the curtains further back so they don't wad up like that. But
Fine.
Aaron says it's fine.
It's fine.
It's not. This is not okay.
It's alright.
It's not okay. Ooh, it's froggy.
It's very froggy.
Is it froggy out there?
It took a while to get the sun up today.
Maybe
The
it's
sun
lazy.
pours through my window when I'm sleeping, and
See,
It
we're
was-
almost to the winter solstice, so we're about at the shortest day of the year.
right, and at 7 this morning it hadn't crested yet, so
Yeah,
it's
we've got,
still
what,
dark.
3 days? Yeah, 3 days. 3 days to the worst day of the year. I like
I'm
sunlight.
drinking your chocolate.
I like sunlight. Did Tara want that?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
You asked me to take the dog out.
She said it was too hot anyway.
Number 8.
Do you guys have pants on?
Yes.
Yes.
they
Can I
are
film you
clothed.
now? Thank you.
It's
How is it?
Santa.
Okay, I don't know the kid. I know those are good. How's the bombs?
Ben's looks crazy.
Is yours just a blood bomb? What is that?
It's a strawberry.
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 How is it?
I didn't taste it.
You haven't tasted it? You want me to taste it first? Or are you going to taste it?
Mine doesn't taste like anything.
Yours doesn't taste like anything? It's not very strong. Okay. Ben, do you want to try yours or you want me to try it?
Can you put some more chocolate?
No.
I love how there's all these clothes all over my room now.
Ben.
Is it bad? Alright, I'm going to try it. Not good? You want me to try it? Alright. Let's try this thing. I have no idea where this came from. I have no idea what the quality is. It looks awful. It smells really good.
Yeah,
It smells like
milk.
smells like strawberry Nesquik.
Mommy, mine smells like normal hot chocolate.
Yeah. Good. You gotta get
Ooh! Oh! It does not taste like it smells. Yuck! Can I have a normal one? Tara, let me try yours. Yours is dark?
Yes. I like Tara's. Tara's not too
Oh,
sweet.
oh, these cups. These cups are terrible.
You're not drinking mine.
Oh. That's better.
Yeah.
Oh, you try that, honey.
No, I'm good.
Here you go, try it.
I don't.
Do it for the views.
I don't want it. Okay. It looks awful.
It is. Try it. I mean, it's great. You'll love it.
Not good.
Your hair looks good.
Thanks. It's very nice of you to say.
Can you taste it anymore?
Uh-huh. It's not good. Sorry, buddy. Gotta tell those elves you don't like hot strawberry milk.
It just sounds like a bad idea.
It's
All right,
gross.
come here for a second. So I had an idea, because we need to wrap this video up so I can get it up before we leave for the entire afternoon.
Yeah.
So I have an idea. We need your help. You, right there, sitting on your couch, in your chair,
Mm-hmm.
watching this on a bus on your phone. I don't know where you are.
Your name might be Sherry.
It could be Sherry,
Or Karen.
Joe,
David.
Bob,
I don't know.
Brian.
Aaron.
Whoa.
I mean, I watch them. So.
I'm sure I know there's some Sherrys. Did you say Sherry?
I did. Sherry was the first thing
There's
I
a
said.
lot of Sherrys, and we love you guys.
Yes.
Yes, because you guys comment on everything. We love it.
Yep.
So we need your help, whoever you are.
Yeah.
We are going to release a video on January 1st, 2022. Sounds weird to say that. 2022. We're making it there, right? We're going to release a video on January 1st, 2022, and it's going to be a reintroduction to us. It's going to be who is Five to Go, what have we been through? Ben just headbutted me. What have we been through?
Mhm.
And then what are our rough plans for the year, what you can
Yep.
expect, stuff like that. So, in our reintroduction, just to make sure we don't miss anything, what do you want to know?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions? Do you have anything that you know about us that you think everybody else should know?
Somebody had asked a question earlier on a video that said, where do the kids get their red hair from? We're open to those questions.
That is a fantastic question because guess what? Every single time we go into a restaurant or a store or into the public with our 3 children, guess what people ask us about?
Their hair, because
Neither of
we
us
don't
are
have
red.
that.
Yeah, so that's a good question. We will cover that.
Yes.
So anything like that, like seriously, it doesn't have to be RV related because we're more than just RVers,
Yep.
right?
My
So
hair, like my hair.
Yes,
Like your
yes,
hair?
your hair. You have gorgeous hair.
What about my hair?
Yes, yours too.
Brooke has crazy hair. I have crazy hair too. I need to cut all this crap off.
Yep.
Okay, so I need to get to editing so we can get this up before we leave for the Spiderman.
Spiderman.
In like 2 hours.
Yeah.
So it might just have to upload while we're gone. Okay. This is day 18.
This is day 18.
And actually, I think we're going to film all day today to release for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right, and then we'll film all day tomorrow. So yeah, so we're in the home stretch here. We got 6 episodes left.
We're going to get them done for you guys.
Okay. Happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas. We'll
Thanks
see
for
you
watching,
tomorrow.
guys. Hey Tara, do you ever get asked about the color of your hair?
Yes.
Do you ever get comments from people about the color of your hair?
Yes.
What kinds of comments do you get?
They're like, my granddaughter's 12th removed cousin has red hair. Okay.